Farming is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep improving, and success will follow. Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation on how to succeed in farming. Farming is not just about planting seeds and waiting for them to grow. It requires careful planning, knowledge, and dedication, whether you are new to farming or looking for ways to improve. This video will give you practical steps to help you succeed. Let's get started. Start with a solid plan. Every successful farm begins with a well thought out plan. Before you start, ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. What type of farming do I want to do? Crops, livestock, or mixed farming? 2. What is the demand for my product in my area? And then 3. How much land do I have and what resources are available? John, a beginner farmer in Kenya, wanted to grow tomatoes. Instead of planting immediately, he researched the best varieties, calculated cost, and identified market before investing. As a result, he minimized losses and started earning profit within 6 months. Let's look at the second point. Educate yourself continuously. Farming techniques are also improving. It's important to stay updated with new knowledge. You can do these 3. 1. Attend farming workshops and training programs. 2. Watch YouTube tutorials from experienced farmers. 3. Join agriculture forums and Facebook groups. Grace, a poultry farmer in Nigeria, learned through online courses that feeding chickens with natural herbs improved their health. By applying this, she reduced medicine costs and increased profits. Let's move to the third point. Start small and scale gradually. Many new farmers make the mistakes of starting big without experience. It is better to start small, learn from mistakes, and expand gradually. Ahmed wanted to start a dairy farm. Instead of buying 20 cows at once, he started with 2. Over 2 years, he improved his knowledge and expanded to 50 cows while maintaining quality. Now, let's move to the 4th point. Implement sustainable practices. To succeed in farming long term, you need to take care of the soil, water, and environment. Some sustainable practices include these 3. 1. Crop rotation to maintain soil nutrients. 2. Using organic manure instead of chemical fertilizers. And then 3. Water conservation through drip irrigation. In India, a farmer named Ravi used organic compost instead of chemical fertilizers. His soil quality improved, his crops became healthier, and he started selling his organic produce at premium prices. Let's move to the 5th point. Diversify your farming activities. Relying on just one product can be risky. If prices drop, you may struggle. It's better to grow different crops or combine crops and livestock farming. Sarah, a farmer in Ghana, started with maize farming. Later, she added poultry farming. When maize prices dropped, she still earned income from selling eggs and chickens. Point 6. Embrace technology and innovation. Technology makes farming easier and more efficient. Some useful technologies include these 3. 1. Mobile apps for weather updates and pest control alerts. 2. Drip irrigation to save water. And 3. Greenhouse farming to protect crops from harsh weather. A farmer in South Africa installed solar-powered irrigation pumps. This reduced his electricity cost and allowed him to farm throughout the year. Point 7. Understand and engage with the market. Knowing your market before planting is key. Don't grow crops or raise animals without a plan on where to sell them. Daniel, a farmer in Uganda, noticed that many hotels needed fresh lettuce. He started growing lettuce and signed contracts with hotels. He made consistent sales and avoided market struggles. Let's move to point 8. Maintain financial prudence. Farming involves money, and managing it wisely is crucial. Keep records of all expenses and income and avoid unnecessary loans. Mary, a farmer in Zimbabwe, kept a record of all her farm expenses. When she noticed she was spending too much on labor, she invested in better tools to reduce costs. Point 9. Build a supportive network. Connecting with other farmers can provide advice, encouragement, and even business partnerships. Join farming cooperatives or groups. In Nigeria, a group of farmers formed a cooperative. They brought seeds and fertilizers in bulk at cheaper prices and shared knowledge, increasing their productivity. Point 10. Stay resilient and adaptable. Farming is unpredictable. Prices may drop, the weather may change, or pests may attack. Always be ready to adapt. Jacob, a rice farmer in Bangladesh, experienced heavy floods that destroyed his farm. Instead of giving up, he switched to fish farming, which suited the flood-prone land. Point 11. Prioritize conservation and environmental stewardship. Protecting the environment helps maintain long-term productivity. You can do this 3. Plant trees to prevent soil erosion. Use natural pest control methods instead of harmful chemicals. 3. Protect water sources by preventing pollution. A farmer in Brazil switched to agroforestry, planting trees alongside crops. This improved soil fertility, attracted beneficial insects, and increased yields. Point 12. Focus on quality over quantity. Consumers prefer quality products. It is better to produce fewer high-quality products than large amounts of low-quality goods. Paul, a dairy farmer in Kenya, improved the quality of his milk by feeding his cows with nutrient-rich fodder. As a result, he sold milk at a higher price than his competitors. 13. Plan for the long term. Successful farmers think beyond one season. Plan how you will grow your farm over the next 5 or 10 years. Fatima, a vegetable farmer in Morocco, reinvested part of her profits into building a greenhouse. Over 5 years, she expanded her farm and started exporting vegetables. Point 14 and the last point. Seek mentorship and guidance. Learning from experienced farmers can save you from costly mistakes. Find a mentor who can guide you. David, a new fish farmer in Zambia, struggled at first. He found an experienced fish farmer who advised him on feeding techniques. Within a year, his fish farm became profitable. Farming is not just about hard work, it requires smart decisions. By following these steps, planning, learning, starting small, using technology, and adapting to challenges, you can build a successful farming business. Remember, farming is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep improving, and success will follow. If you found this presentation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more farming tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I will be happy to answer. Thank you for watching and happy farming.